Earnings preview, ISRG, time 5:48 a.m. Pacific time. Today's date 4/17. We're going to be featuring this big bellwether here on this daily chart that's made all-time 52-week highs. We will be on this one in after hours. Last quarter it popped $20 and sold off that $20 and went negative $30 and created a great buying opportunity. We'll be looking to see today if the stock doesn't have one of those. It's due for the simple fact that Intuitive Surgical could go not as good as investors may want forward looking because of the Obamacare would destroy this stock. So there's a lot of forward-looking hurdles for ISRG. One of the things is about the Da Vinci models and how much they have sold and what those values are going to be. And has the worldwide economy where, they sell more outside of the U.S. than they have the U.S. sells. We're going to be all over that. Today, we will also be featuring IBM. They report today after the closing bell. Big Blue. Big Blue had made a wonderful move to all-time highs as investors are anxiously waiting today what Big Blue will have to say. And when we look at a lot of the big rally that we had in calendar 2012 up to this earnings season is when we look at several, if not hundreds, of daily charts, we can see where things have crossed over with moving averages, things are about to go into daily sell signals, all kinds of things that the standard public will be looking at and how they make it their decisions. Naturally, ours are made quite differently. So we'll be looking for any movements in the after hours. Once again, any downside volatility will create the buying opportunity. So I've got IBM here on a daily chart, which is not in, it's been consolidating here for a number of days going into the earnings report here at 2:02. So we'll be definitely all on IBM in after hours today, and once again ISRG will be the focus after hours. This bellwether here is very volatile. One thing that we do know, that even if we are correct, the way that the Ponzi scheme is in those weekly options, and when the stock is tanking and they're still in premium, we'll remain on the sideline. Normally we would be an aggressive put buyer below the market and a call buyer above the market, but due to the high volatility and the scams that are going in the option pit, will remain on the sideline and pick it up the following day. That's the update for Intuitive Surgical and IBM earnings preview after the closing bell.